for 3 bundles and a closure. Come on, come on. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, hello, and welcome. And I see that we do have some new subscribers, so welcome to my channel. For those that are not new, what's poppin'? So in today's episode, I'm actually going to feature my headband wig from scratch. But you guys know I gotta throw in a little makeup look. Now, to be honest, I decided to do this off camera. I was going to do one thing I was going to do, and somehow it ended up turning into this. What is really this? First it was 2 drops, then I decided to add circles, then I decided to add dots. I guess we can say it's on the artsy side. And I say I would have tried to explain this, but I don't know how I'm gonna explain this. You're gonna have to bear with me. This might be more of a really looking on process and not so much of a talk through, because I was going to cut the crease and then I just decided not to. Pray for me. This is the palette we're using today. And guys, what do you think about my backdrop? I mean, it kind of ram phone was starting it. So what I did, I started with this base face, the darkest shade. Now we only have 2 matte shades in this palette, and we're gonna apply that all over the lid. And then I'm going to blend it out. I don't want it too high up, because then I'll have to go in with concealer. I had to do that on this eye, and I'm already trying to have to do that on this eye. The next thing I'm going to do is reach into the lightest shade in the palette and the only other matte shade, which is this one right here, and buff that on the outer part of the eye. Make it look a little blown out. Now that part is finished, the trickiest part is what I do next. What I do is take this really small accent brush from Real Techniques, just a little bit of concealer on it, and see if I could recreate this drop thing on this drop thing. I find it's giving me a kind of lava lamp sort of vibe. So I started this as though I was about to cut the crease. Then I take another small brush from Real Techniques. This is called a detailer brush. And I use this to apply the lilac shade. Now I use the lilac shade here and the rose gold shade here, but I think on this I'm gonna use the rose gold shade and then apply the lilac shade. So next I'm going to take the lightest shimmer shade, which is this lilac or lavender one right here, and I'm going to put that inside of this drop. So next I'm going to take this really detailed brush that I have here, and I'm going to dip into the darkest matte shade, and I'm going to clean up around where I place the shimmer shades. Next thing I'm going to do is take my NYX Vivid Brights, and I'm going to take this dark violet shade. Yes, it's called Vivid Violet. That is the one that was in this box. I'm going to place it around the lavender or lilac drop. This shade is called Vivid Blossom, and I'm going to put it around the rose gold. Next, I'm going to use the same Vivid Blossom and make a dot, a circle. And then I'm going to take the Vivid Violet and place it above. I find it, again, a kind of yin-yang vibe. I'm not sure what I'm getting. I'm getting all sorts of things. But let me know in the comments, what are you getting? If you are liking this artsy side of me with regards to my makeup, you all can like, comment, encourage me, let me know, okay? I would appreciate that so much. Thank you. Also, if you haven't yet, subscribe. Then I'm gonna pick up this neon UV eyeliner. This is in the shade Eyeliner Purple. Then I'm gonna take another shade in Moon Glow. This one is called Eyeliner Pink. That is this. Next, I'm gonna go back with the Vivid Violet, and I'm gonna circle the lilac. The next circle I have here. I'm going to put on my lashes and face off camera so that we can get back and really get to the meat of this video, which is my wig. I got all my materials together: wig cap, needle and thread. My hair, I got 3 bundles in addition to an invisible part closure from Freetress Equal. It's the Dominican Kinky, and it cost me only $190. I started sewing from the nape of the neck from one side to the next, and I used up about 2 bundles. When they were complete, my 3rd bundle I used to go not from side to side but across. And then when that bundle was complete, I used the closure to attach to the front of the wig, so it looks pretty seamless. You see how it looks? It was full, it's nice, it's beautiful. I loved it, and it took me about 2 days. Okay guys, so I'm back and my face is complete. Listen, I can't believe I was going to do something teachable. I lied to my whole self. Lie. I have it right here. It's still on the mannequin head. To be honest, I really do not like wigs with streaks. I don't even like streaks in my own hair. But this is the only one with a different curl pattern that I was willing to get. So that is why I got this one. I must say though that what I need to do is install some clips on the innermost parts of this wig so that it stays to my head, you know, and doesn't fall off. Okay, so what I did is that I did not bother to sew on the edge of the cap. So I was like, I don't need no band, or at least I don't need an additional band, right? This thing is snug jet. So when I install the combs, nothing will be moving. But right now it's kind of moving, and I think it's especially shifting because of the stocking cap on my head. So that is smooth, and this is smooth, and everything is smooth and sliding. I think I had it on the mannequin to the side too. Yeah, this is what we talking about. You know who I'm getting right now? I feel like I'm channeling some Whitney Houston. Oh, I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the. We could even do a half up, half down. I even have a headband for it. This is the next one from the Hair King. How this looking? And look at the lines. I really like this. Let me know if you like this too. If you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share it with your friend, your family, or whoever you think might like this or would want to try this. All right, and thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.